everybody. This is Cabale with Cabale Media, and today we are talking about sales and email marketing. Stay tuned. This is for my small business owners, DTC founders, and marketers. If your open rates are high, but your sales are low, this one is for you. I've seen campaigns with 60%, 70%, 80% open rates with zero sales, and others with, let's say, 10, 12% open rates and thousands of dollars in sales or converted like crazy. What are you doing wrong and how can we fix that? Today, we are going to cover what open rates actually mean, what really drives sales, and how to use email data to increase revenue. So what is open rate really telling you? Apple Mail privacy protection now inflates open rates. Talk about iOS changes. Obsess over 50%, 60% open rates if you're not segmenting to your list. Your mom might be opening all your emails, maybe your whole family is, so I wouldn't take that open rate so serious. A good benchmark is about 20 to 30%, so start there. But higher doesn't always mean better. I would do A/B testing for subject line and preview text and then see where it goes from there. That could just be a vanity metric, so I would track where these opens go to. If not, like I said, it's just a vanity metric. A click-through rate is the percentage of people who click versus who open. So an average click-through rate is somewhere between 2 to 5%. That's industry standard, but it depends on your industry. So let's say fashion may be a different open rate. Let's say pest control may be another open rate. Let's say that another type of DTC brand is open rate. Let's say cars, something like that. So I would do your research on what your industry open rate is. But if you want a general standard, I'd say somewhere between 2 to 5%. Are people clicking out of interest or intent? So there's a difference. There's something called soft clicks, and then there's hard clicks. Soft clicks, something like top nav, logos, certain links, and hard clicks are always like product CTAs, offers, and things like that. So when the clicking is going more to an offer or a sales page, you know for sure there's more intent. A logo or something like that, they could just be clicking for the sake of clicking. So always see where these clicks are leading to and then go from there. Analyze the data, figure out, okay, people are going to this page, people are going to that page. Maybe at that point you target certain campaigns to whatever that page is, whether it be a certain product, whether it be a sale, and then see who's clicking on what pages. And then from there, you could segment and say, okay, people are going here, people are going there, and then that's the audience you cater your campaign to. Use click maps. Here's a good tip. Use UTMs. If you don't know Google, that's something that we could discuss in another video. Or heat maps, click maps to see where people are clicking. See what content is getting the most action, and then from there, then you double down and say, okay, this is what we need to do, this is where we're clicking, here's where we go next. Sales don't come from clicks alone. Key sales drivers in emails, there's segmentation, there's personalization, there is offer clarity, there is landing page consistency. If someone clicked on a sports bar, let's say, right, and they landed on the general homepage, that's a disconnect. You lost the sale. Really have some type of intent in your emails. If it's a sale, lead them to the sales page. If it's for a bra, lead it to the bra page or that particular product. Somehow, for some reason, people just start to link things in different places. Really have a strategy as to where your links are going. If you want them to go to the sales page, let it be a sales email. Let them go to the sales page. If you want it just for bras, maybe make a bra landing page. Have intent for all your campaigns. Just don't send them out hoping for the best. Having a clean CTA works. And what do I mean by clean CTA? Generally, one, shop to sale, book my appointment now, get my 15% off. You get the hint of what I'm saying. You need a clean, relevant CTA in order for them to get to the place you want them to go. Yeah, you can have multiple CTAs if you're selling products, but have one general email. Let's say it's a sale, header, CTA for one button, and then take them there. The metrics that matter most. Revenue per recipient, or RPR, what actually really matters. Besides the revenue per recipient, you also need to track bounce rate for list health, spam complaints, unsubscribes per emails, which is also a good one. See what's not resonating with the customer or see what is resonating with the customer. Low open rates may be okay if your RPR is, say, $1.50, right? If it's a low product, you're still making money. But just be aware that you have to be consistent with all your analytics. So like I said, bounce rate for list health, spam complaints, and then unsubscribes per email. Money is coming in. That's important. To recap, don't chase just open rates. Track what happens after the click, and then prioritize revenue percent. The more you segment, the more you test, the more data you get, the more you're able to double down on what works and what doesn't work. If you want more breakdowns like this, let me know or drop a comment. I will be more than happy to make a totally new video on what metrics confuse you, what metrics you should be looking for. I'll be happy to make a whole video for you. In any event, this is a short video, but I want to ensure that you're really tracking your sales and using the right metrics in order to get there. Again, and if you like this video, you could like, share, and subscribe, hit the notification bell. You can email me at jcabale@cabalemedia.com. You can visit the socials. You can go to cabalemedia.com and get your free 30-minute consultation for all things email marketing. And yeah, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Cabale with Cabale Media, and I'll see you at the next video.